this box is heavy, just got it delivered. And this is the new Obarter X5. So I did review the X7, the D5, amazing budget options with the medium to high performance. So let's unbox this one and see how it looks and what is the performance of the new one. So this is it, guys. Looks massive but does not feel that heavy. Unpacking and assembling was fast and easy. I only had to install the handlebars and charge it. Design. It's pretty much similar to X5 and D5, but major changes here. It's not so much attention to details here, same big square shapes, nothing fancy, simple construction, big metal pieces, looks like industrial tool. Not much balance here, but I like the front a lot. This double stem is solid, design is very appealing. The other two models, X7 and D5, had slight to no movement. Here it's dead solid. The battery compartment, body shape, structure, very similar but size-wise in between X7 and D5, and unfortunately on this model you cannot swap the battery. We have the same grips, the same console, the same ignition key. We have new changes here. This is the twisting, the folding stem, handlebars, big design, the same control, the same console here with the screen, and we have the Eco Turbo and the single dual. I'd like to see here, a thumb throttle or a twist throttle, maybe more a thumb throttle, because this is like, it's okay this way, but I have to put the brake all the way down, so you have to get used to it. It's not very comfortable. And these grips, they move. Like, we need better grips here. And going down this structure, I really like it, guys. And here I want to point out, you can actually lower, not sure why this is a 1/4 inch longer, so I lifted almost 2 inches all the way up. You can bolt it in here, and you can adjust. This entire structure can go down almost like 3 inches here, down up, and you can, if you need to, lower it more, you can cut this and break it down, and this spacer holds the entire structure, and we have LEDs behind. The wire is just too long here, even if you fold it, so I'll probably just shorten up a little bit. And here is the body. It has this industrial look. Let me show you here the motors, and these are 2800 watts. Look at this beast. 13-inch tires, and they're massive. Speed. Acceleration first 3 seconds, body smooth, but after the torque kicks in and it just takes off with immense power. Super fun, gradual acceleration, but powerful. I hit here 45 miles an hour before entering the tunnel and losing GPS signal, but inside the tunnel, the scooter kept gaining top speed, and on the scooter speedometer registered 80 kilometers an hour, which is 50 miles an hour top speed. Very comfortable and great control. No steer dampening needed here. At maximum speed, extremely stable and makes a cool noise similar to a plane taking off. Boxy, steel over steel, rugged. The deck with lights, very wide, I think can be just slightly narrower on edges and more round. The fender in the front, solid plastic, and the rubber-like material in the back. The 13-inch tires are massive and make the scooter look like a Hummer, overpowered off-road beast. This scooter is not meant to be pretty, designed to be a workhorse. I like the roughness of the design, it has its own appeal. It's like a Cybertruck of scooters. Battery, 60 volts, 30 amp hour capacity, range. I covered 35 miles, riding maximum top speed, my weight 220 pounds, temperatures 35 to 4 degrees, aggressive acceleration and a lot of stopping. Frame, solid, no rattle, super strong, foldable with safety locking lever. I wish we had here the small wheels on the bottom here, like on the D5 model. It is posted on the website 130 pounds. I was able to lift it so easy. I think it is way lighter. Suspension. Front and rear coil hydraulic shocks with no adjustability in the front, but some adjustability in the back. Different shocks than D5 model and X7, but still impressive good suspension. Comfortable, fun and very capable off-road and a blast to ride at a maximum speed. I think performance-wise, this is, more than you need. It's an amazing performance, but it's not that polished, detailing design and form, which is good. It's one of the scooters that, if you live on the ranch, if you live, let's say, somewhere we have mostly off-road, you don't care about the look, you want to just have a heavy-duty scooter that will do the work, will get you around, and will go over anything, and it's not gonna break. This is the one. It's not polished, but here, look at this heavy-duty brakes, right? This is like a scooter that has character, right? Has power, but no personality. Design is like more like industrial square box. I like the footrest handle. It's not sharp, you can grab and lift it. Charging. It came with 1.7 amp hour, which takes forever to charge, almost 18 hours. Make sure you buy the 5 amp hour fast charger. Will make a big difference. Will get the scooter charged in 5.5 to 6 hours from empty. The front dual light is extremely bright, long throw and wide spill. Side LED panels that we see on the majority of electric scooters. We have an active rear brake light that is decent, but the turning signals are way too small. This is by far a solid beater scooter, great performance with fast acceleration and high performance top speed, solid range, massive battery and still in 2K price range. It's big, it's heavy, it's so much fun and comfort. For its size, it's very nimble. X5, it's a bridge between D5 and X7 size and performance wise. Price at $2,200 on the Obarter website, but some dealers sell this model at $1,900 US online, which is a deal that would not pass. I would like to see much brighter turning signals, include front turning signals, better grips and a thumb throttle. Besides that, it's a hell of a performance scooter for this price. I placed the link down below, guys, check it out. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to smash that like button and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.